UPSP aspirants. Today, we're going to have Map It with Law Excellence. And in this session, we're going to discuss about different map locations that are being present in our current news. And today, we're going to discuss 10 different news locations that are being present in the news, which are very important for the prelims 2026. First, we'll be discussing the topics that have been there. We have Ghana, Trinidad, Tobago, Argentina, Brazil, Namibia, Sierra Leone, Orkney Islands, Ronne Glacier, Egypt, Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Now today in this session, we will deal every location that is being present, and we will also give a background about why there is a context of the topic is being present, what are the important boundaries that are being present in this region, what are the important rivers, the mountains that are being there, any important significance that are being there. Now today, the first topic that is being present is the Ghana. You might have already read in the current affairs that we have the PM Modi sir has actually been on the 5-nation tour, and in that 5-nation tour, one of the nation that is being present is the Ghana. And in this, during his visit, he was being conferred with the highest civilian order, that is the Order of the Star of Ghana. Now when we come towards where the Ghana location is being present. Now when we see the Ghana location, Ghana is present in the Western Africa region, where it is being surrounded by Cote d'Alvaro in the west. In the north, we are having Burkina Faso, then we have Togo that is being present on the east, and at the south, we have the Gulf of Guinea that is being present. And we all know Ghana has been famous for the gold that has been there, and the Ghana has been also famous for the cocoa plantations. Now, our visit here, we also have important rivers and the mountains that have been there. For example, Volta River is the most significant river, and Volta Lake that has been formed, it is one of the world's largest man-made lake in the world. See, in the previous prelims question paper, if you have seen, we have different lakes that have been asked. So, one important lake here is the Lake Volta. And apart from this, we also have an important mountain range that is being present. Here we have Akuapem Togo range, which is very prominent. And we do have different famous Ghana locations. Next, we have the Trinidad and Tobago that's been there. Now we can see these are the island locations that have been there, the Caribbean island locations that have been present. So here when we see the location that has been there, one we have the Trinidad and the other one we have is the Tobago. Now when we see Trinidad that's been there, on the eastern side we have the Atlantic Ocean that is being present, and on the western side we have Gulf of Paria. And at the north, we have the Caribbean Sea. Now, near the north, we have the island Tobago that's been present. Now, during the visit of PM Modi sir, so here he was conferred with Order of Republic of Trinidad Tobago that's been present. And this country is the island country which is not bordering any other nations. So, it is an island bordered by the oceans that have been there. And here, when we see the important rivers and mountains that are being present in this island, the rivers include the Coroney River, and the northern range in Trinidad includes the El Cerro that's being present. Next, we have this region is famous for petroleum, then natural gas that is being present. Then next, we have the Argentina that is being present. So, we all know Argentina is one of the important country of our South America region. Now, as a part of 5-nation tour, PM Modi also have visited the Argentina region that's being present. Now, this Argentina, here we have, it's a part of South America, and when you see the border nations that have been there, or the bordering regions of the Argentina, on the eastern side, we have Atlantic Ocean that's being present. On the western side, we have Chile that is being present on this area, and in the northern side, we have Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, and Uruguay. See, in the UPSC, we can have questions. For example, in the 2025 prelims, there was one question where it has asked which of the following countries the Andes mountain ranges have been flowing, or Andes ranges mountains have been present. Now through this map with law excellence, we will concentrate the locations that have been present. So in this Argentina, we have important boundaries, mountains, rivers that have been there. We have Paraná river that has been present. Then we have Plata river that has been there. The Andes mountains that have been there. One of the highest peak of the region. Outside Asia, we have Aconcagua mountain peak, which is highest, and here we have many different diplomatic relations are being present with India. And in this tour also, we're trying to enhance our relations regarding the scientific, pharmaceuticals, the inventions that have been there. Next country we have is Brazil. So we all know there is a summit that has been going on in the Brazil, for which one of the touring of the 5 nations is Brazil. Brazil, in this tour, PM Modi has been conferred with the title, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. Now this was being conferred by the Brazilian government. Now here when we see the map that has been there, the Brazil is being surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east, then in the western side, you can see Uruguay, the Paraguay, a small Argentina that has been present, then we have Bolivia, Peru that has been there, then we have Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, then we have French Guiana. Then these are the surrounding boundaries that have been present regarding the Brazil that's been there. And this Brazil, we all know one important largest forest area, rainforest area that we have is Amazon forest. The Amazon river has been flowing in this region, and we have many different mountain ranges. We have Serra do Mar and the Serra do Martinquiri, and we have Amazon rainforest which has been famous, and we also have a carnival, Rio de Janeiro, and you might have also know the Earth Summit 1992 has also been held at the Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. The next we have is Namibia. Now we have seen in the news the large amount of discussions. India is trying to invest in the defense, in the development of technology regarding the Namibia that's been present. And in this also, the PM Modi has been conferred with the highest civilian award that's been there, the Order of Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis. So this is the award that's been conferred. Then when we come towards the location where the Namibia that's been present. Now if we see the location, it is present on the western margins of the Africa, and it has been surrounded by, you can see, here we have Botswana that is being present, then we have South Africa that's been present, then we have the Atlantic Ocean that's been there. Now this Namibia is having large amount of coastline has been present, and if we have the little bit geographical knowledge that's been there, we have one ocean current that's been flowing in this region called Benguela current. Now this Benguela current is a cold current. Now due to the cold current that's been present, now this region is been having desert formation has been there. Now you can see the Namib desert that's been there, and we also have Kalahari desert that's been present. A part of Kalahari desert is also being present in Namibia region. The next location that we have here is the Sierra Leone that's been there. Now this Sierra Leone is also part of the West Africa region. Now the context of this location is that recently there have been articles regarding the submergence of the islands that are being present and the nation that's been present in this area. So when we see the islands that have been there, we have 2 islands that have been present. One is the Banana Island that's been there, and the other one we have is the Turtle Islands that's been. Now according to the report, it has been stated that these islands are having large amount of impact of submergence that's been there. Now when we come towards the bordering nations of the Sierra Leone that's been present, so it is bordered by the Guinea that is being present in the north and northeast, and here we have Liberia that is being present. And here this location is very much famous for diamond biodiversity, and it is recurring from the civil war that's been present. The next location we have is the Orkney Islands that's been there. Now these Orkney Islands are the part of the United Kingdom. Now in the recent news, you might have observed that the Orkney Islands have been hosted one of the multi-sports events of the UK. And here the country has been also expressing different types of concerns regarding their wish to go for self-governing part of the Norway. They want to come out of United Kingdoms and join into the Norwegian region that's been present. And this island has been situated in the northeastern Scotland in the Northern Sea, and it is being surrounded by water, and there is no land boundary that's been present. Now you can see, this is the Orkney Island, and we have the Great Britain that's been there. Here we have the North Sea that's been present. And in this Orkney Island, we have large amount of Neolithic construction. Heritage site has been present. We have 4 different World UNESCO Heritage Sites have been present in this location. In the comments, do express what are the 4 different sites of UNESCO in this region. The next we have is the Ronne Glacier that's been present. Now this Ronne Glacier was in news due to the glacial retreat. Now, we all know due to the climate change impact that's been going on, the glaciers are retreating in a rapid phase. Now, one glacier has been retreating in the European region is the Rhone Glacier that's been present. Now, this Rhone Glacier has been present in the Alps mountain ranges of the Switzerland, and it is very near to the central Switzerland, a part of Rhone Valley that's been present, and we have different Alp mountains. For example, we have Swiss Alps, then we have Urner Alps that's been there. Now, this for the decreasing the glacial retreat, there is a white cover that has been kept on the glacier region that's been there. Now, this white cover, the glacial regions, to conserve the areas, this kind of conservative measures have been taken place. Then the next one we have is the Egypt that's been present. Now, in this news, we have observed that the first genome sequencing of 4,000 to 4,500 years old Egyptian individual has been done. We know there are many mummies being present in the Egypt. Now, one of the mummies, the gene sequence has been done. So, this is very important. So, here the Egypt, when we see the locational aspect that has been there, now in this Egypt, it is being surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea in the north, then we have the Red Sea in the eastern side, we have Gulf of Suez, then we have Libya, and we have the Sudan that has been there. And Egypt, we all know, one of the important river is been there, the Nile River that's been present. In this Nile also, we have two different parts. We have Blue Nile and we have the White Nile that's been present. The next one we have is the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Now, Ethiopian government has stated that in the September, they will be opening the GERD dam that's been present. Now, when we see the Ethiopia that's been there, now Ethiopia is very near to the Nile River. Then we have, it has been surrounded by the Egypt that has been there. Then we have Sudan that has been present. Then we have South Sudan. Then we have Kenya that has been there. Now, here you can see there is a Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam that's been there. Now, it is being constructed on the Blue Nile. Just now I told, Nile, we have two different. We have Blue Nile and the White Nile that's been there. So, you can see Egypt, the Nile has been flowing. So, here we have Blue Nile that's been forming. And here we have Lake Tana. So, Lake Tana is being getting the water from the Blue Nile that's been there. So, these are the topics that are being present, that are being in the news channel. We will be coming up with many more series regarding different locations that have been there, which will help us to clear the prelims of 2026. Thank you.